A lot of patients come in, and while we're going through the no-no page, the coffee comes up. People ask me, well, why can't I have coffee? I promise it's not coffee's fault. It's the caffeine inside the coffee.
Yes.
Coffee, tea, soda, energy drinks, all of these fall in that caffeinated regimen. Now, to start at the tail end of that, let's talk about each caffeinated item and why we're staying away. First, soda or energy drinks, either way. The energy drinks have a lot of caffeine, taurine, these types of "ine" words are all stimulants. Soda has the sodium. We've been talking a lot about sodium today. We don't want to get bloated. Has artificial sweeteners that eat at the internal organs. It has carcinogens, which cause cancer. The thing that soda, coffee, energy drinks, these all have in common would be that caffeine factor. Now, maybe you don't know this. Caffeine actually alters your insulin in such a way it shuts down your metabolism. It stops your body's ability to actually process the fat. Case in point, a lot of my patients come in, oh, I don't have breakfast. I just get up, have my cup of coffee, and I'm ready to go. Well, the cup of coffee was probably why you didn't eat breakfast. It's because it shut down your metabolism. It said, nah, you don't need to eat today. You're good. Well, what's happening during that time frame? You're not burning calories. You're not metabolizing. You're burning up your muscles. Why? Caffeine is stimulant. Ooh, my nerves are going. Well, what's happening here? When one thing is overstimulated, something else becomes understimulated. It basically falls asleep. Your metabolism is done for now. It's just going to let this have its party, and it's going to sleep until later. Also with the caffeine, a lot of our patients are on prescription strength appetite suppressants or a natural appetite suppressant with stimulating herbs. This is very dangerous to mix with caffeinated beverages because now we have two stimulants. Two stimulants, you could get jitters, palpitations, your heart could flutter. You won't feel very good. It's dangerous for your health, and long term it can cause more serious issues. We always want to keep our patients healthy and safe, not just working toward a weight loss goal, but a healthy weight loss goal.
Also, caffeine could cause your body to be more dehydrated because they're like a diuretic, because if you ever hear about people drinking iced tea, the frequent use of the restroom. So anytime that your body is dehydrated, and because like we've talked about before with the importance of water and your brain not knowing the difference between hunger and thirst, you could end up in turn thinking that you might be more hungry. So all good reasons why to try and stay away from the caffeine intake.
Absolutely. Caffeine also can affect the acidity of your body. What happens is you want to keep your body very alkaline. And when your body becomes acidic, it metabolizes differently because it's just trying to find that homeostasis, that happy balance with everything that's going on. And the caffeine can change that inside your body. So now you're not getting the same type of metabolic rate that you would have. So your body is fighting itself now. So we're dehydrated, we're hungry, we're tired.
We're overstimulated.
Overstimulated. And then what happens? It wears off and we need more. Well, guess what? Had you just eaten all day, every 2 to 3 hours, you're always going to have more food coming in. There's always more water coming in. By leaving that part out, you're not externally stimulated. You're internally stimulated. We have to have energy all day long. We're producing energy right now. Well, where's it coming from? We've eaten today. We've had water today. I can tell you we're burning calories sitting here because we have things that are going through our body that need to come out.
Well, I feel like I'm exercising.
Yes, absolutely. So if you get the opportunity to get those meals in and get the water in, you will feel so good. You're not going to reach for something external like that. You're not going to be like, oh, I need coffee. No, you're going to be like, oh, I need my next meal. And you're going to get excited about it because full girl, happy girl.